The final thing we need to do is to export this data from the query into a different file so that we could use it in another program such as Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint. If we wanted to import them into those documents as a table or to create a chart from them. So we go up to external data, and if I'm going to export as a text file that I could use as a CSV later perhaps, I would choose text file. I just browse to where I want the exported file to remain. I can see that the save as type is text file as well, and go save. Press OK. Go next, and I want to include the field names on the first row. Important if you're trying to create a table or a chart elsewhere. And at this point I can just go finish. Now if I also want to create an Excel spreadsheet file, I will go Excel. It will have picked up the exact same path as to where I've saved things, and the file extension will now be an XLSX instead of TXT. If I go to that location on my computer, you can see if I double click the text file, here's the comma separated values that I can import into another database, into a spreadsheet, or use as the basis of a chart or table in PowerPoint. If I open up the spreadsheet version, Excel opens by default, and we can see it's now delimited into separate columns for each field. Now you had to do this for both step 5 and for step 8 of the CARS 1 exercise.